क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? क्या आपने मुझे बुलाया था? Had you asked for me? Had you asked for me? मैं जाऊं? मैं I go? मैं I go? मैं भी चलूं? मैं I accompany you? मैं I accompany you? क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Are you coming? Are you coming? मैं लाऊं? Should I bring it? Should I bring it? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? क्या तुम समझ गए? Did you understand? Did you understand? समझे? Understood? Understood? क्या मतलब? What do you mean? What do you mean? क्या साहब अंदर हैं? Is the boss in? Is the boss in? कौन है? Who is it? Who is it? क्या है? What is the matter? What is the matter? दिनेश कहाँ है? Where is दिनेश? Where is दिनेश? आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? शुरू करें. Shall we begin? Shall we begin? एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? क्या आज छुट्टी है? Is it a holiday today? Is it a holiday today? तुम्हें मालूम है? Do you know? Do you know? तुम जाओगे नहीं? Won't you go? Won't you go? क्या गड़बड़ है? What is the trouble? What is the trouble? आप नाराज हैं क्या? Are you angry? Are you angry? बाल बच्चे अच्छे हैं ना? How is the family? How is the family? मैं आपकी क्या सेवा करूं? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? हम सब कहाँ पर हैं? Where are we now? Where are we now? क्या तकलीफ है? What brings you here? What brings you here? क्या उसके पास कार है? Has he got a car? Has he got a car? आपको मुझसे कुछ काम है? Have you any business with me? Have you any business with me? कौन आ रहा है? Who is coming? Who is coming? रात के भोजन में क्या क्या है? What is the menu for dinner? What is the menu for dinner? यह किसका टेलीफोन नंबर है? Whose telephone number is this? Whose telephone number is this? हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? तुम वापस कैसे आ गए हो? How have you come back? How have you come back? तुमने पढ़ना क्यों छोड़ दिया? Why have you dropped your studies? Why have you dropped your studies? अब आपकी माँ का क्या हाल है? How is your mother now? How is your mother now? आप कैसे हैं? How do you do? How do you do? यहाँ सबसे अच्छा हॉस्टल कौन सा है? Which is the best hostel here? Which is the best hostel here? यह कौन है? Whose is this? Whose is this? वागीश कहाँ है? Where is वागीश? Where is वागीश? क्या खबर है? What is the news? What is the news? अब फिर भेंट कब होगी? When shall we meet again? When shall we meet again? तुम्हारी उम्र क्या है? या आपकी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? आप यहाँ कब से हैं? For how long have you been here? For how long have you been here? कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? आप क्यों तकलीफ करते हैं? Why do you trouble yourself? Why do you trouble yourself? सड़क बंद क्यों है? Why is the road closed? Why is the road closed? आज कौन सी पिक्चर लगी है? What movie is on today? What movie is on today? आप क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? आप इतने गंभीर क्यों हैं? Why are you so serious? Why are you so serious? मैं आज की पार्टी में क्या पहनूं? What should I wear in the party tonight? What should I wear in the party tonight? मैं आपसे कहाँ संपर्क करूं? Where should I contact you? Where should I contact you? क्या कोई परेशानी है? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? क्या आज आप देर से आएंगे? Are you going to be late tonight? Are you going to be late tonight? क्या आप हमारे साथ बैठेंगे? Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? तुम मेरी बात क्यों नहीं सुनते? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? मुझे उसे कहाँ ढूंढना चाहिए? Where should I look for him? Where should I look for him? मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? क्या मैं आपका फ़ोन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? May I use your phone? May I use your phone? क्या आप उसे पहचानते हैं? Do you recognize him? Do you recognize him? मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ. I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. क्या मैं आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? क्या मैं जल्दी उठता हूँ? Do I get up early in the morning? Do I get up early in the morning?